Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add people on Telegram. There are a couple of different ways for how you can go and add people on Telegram. The first one being is just come to the chat screen by clicking the chats and then tap on the search bar in the top right corner, and what you need to do is type in the username of the person you want to go and add. So I'm going to just type random here. Once you type in enough, it will then switch to global search, and as you can see, I can now go and see the users here, and I can go and click one of them for example, and then I'm going to go and send them a message. Let's go and add them as a content. I could go and click on their name at the top, and I can then click on add to contacts. Alternatively, if you currently have the person's phone number instead of their Telegram username, then what you can do is click on the create button, and then you have to tap on this pencil icon, and as you can see here, you have this option plus person. Just tap on it, and now you have to enter the name of the person you want, and then the last name, it's optional, you can use it. And now you have to enter the phone number, and then you can simply tap on this create content, and you can simply chat to them on Telegram. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.